Hey, what's up? This is Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and in this video, it's too long, didn't review, for the FLX Baby Maker. The Baby Maker is a super simple e-bike that illicitly promises good looks. Now, it is a good looking bike, but one look at the bike and you'll understand that it's not made for comfort. The seat is also made for an athletic ride, and the handlebars have a couple positions you can use, which is pretty cool. Now, the rear of the bike houses a 250 watt rear hub motor. It isn't all that powerful, but since the bike itself weighs very little, at 33 pounds, it's not a big issue. The motor is joined by a small 36 volt 7 amp hour battery that is well tucked inside the down tube of the bike. The battery itself doesn't come out of the bike without taking apart the entire front end, so it's hard to recommend this bike if you live in a cold or hot environment where temperature control isn't handy. Now, the bike uses this cute little topology display, shows the basics, and personally, I actually like the display quite a bit. Mechanically, it's pretty simple too. We're looking at a single speed gear in the back and a single speed up front. Price-wise, they have been running a crowdfunding campaign with a very appealing price. And I have to go off of the MSRP for the sake of the review, and that is $24.99. And I think a price like that makes a lot of people wish that FLX would start a new crowdfunding campaign all over again. Based on my ride of the pre-production prototype, I would score the FLX Baby Maker at a 3.75 out of 5 bananas. Now, the bike is a real big winner for aesthetic, and the system that it's using actually complements it pretty well. However, the big part that narrows the score is actually the narrow scope of which you can use the bike. Thanks for watching Too Long Didn't Review. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on the later.